Hi class, and welcome to Online Project Management. This is Dr. Lingelbach, and the first thing I need you guys to do is read the announcements. We need to start by reading the syllabus and complete the Start Here module. And the syllabus and schedule is over here in the content browser. And so you can just click there and open up the syllabus. And I'll go over a few things with you. Our campus location is on D2L, and we'll just meet online. And if you need any to meet with me one-on-one or even as a team, because we will be having some team and group work in this course. Okay, for now, to contact me, use the Outlook MGA email instead of D2L. A lot of times when you use D2L, I do not get your messages right away. They're like usually a couple of days later when I get them. So I would like for you to contact me through the Outlook mga.edu email. I am teaching in Macon and in Cochran, so I will have some office hours in Cochran and on the Macon campus. You can also contact me through email to set up a Teams meeting, so we can schedule that as well. Okay, and I'm going to scroll down. You need to read the COVID statement. You guys are online, so if you have some face-to-face courses, of course you need to read that statement as well. I want you to look at the detailed course information about project management, how it focuses on different areas in project management, the scope, time, cost, quality, human resources, communication, risk management plans, procurement plans, and stakeholder management. You will do a project plan in this course on a real project that you of your choosing, and we'll talk about that a little later on in the semester. But we will look at each one of the project management knowledge areas. Okay, and so you can look at the student outcomes and your topics that we'll talk about. The course material, the textbook, is a Kathy Swab textbook on information technology project management, and we're using the 8th edition. There is a newer one out now, but we're going to be using the 8th edition, and they do have this in the bookstore, and you can also order it from Cengage, or I'm not sure if it's on Amazon, but I do know that you can get it from the bookstore and Cengage. Cengage is I think it's Cengage.com, but you can use the ISBN to also search for it. Technology requirement, of course you need a computer, access the internet. We're going to be using Microsoft Project software. Project does not work with a Mac, so it's recommended for you to have a Windows computer to use Microsoft Project. We'll also be using Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word, and Excel, and PowerPoint. And let's see, I'm going to skip down here for we'll have group and individual assignments. That's going to be worth 50% of your grade. Your discussion questions each week are 20% of your grade, and then your final group project plan is 30%. I will have some bonus points. I think there's a reflection assignment, so you can reflect on what you learned in the class, and I'll give you 10 extra points on top of your total grade. So that's the grading summary, and just remember for no-shows, you need to actually complete some assignments, at least for the well, every week you'll have assignments, but for no-show reporting, uh, we need you to at least do the introduction uh, uh, discussion, and for for the first week. Let me see here. Everything else you can read about the plagiarism policy. Make sure you understand that. And let me see what else here. I'm going to skip down to the course schedule and outline. This is subject to change, just depending on what we come up on during the semester. So, but right now I have each week. The first week you're going to do the welcome readings, syllabus, introduce yourself discussion, and do a sample assignment submission. I'm going to give you this first week to get the text. So then next week, the second week, we will start with Chapter 1 and discussion topic 1, and also an individual Chapter 1 assignment. So you notice the due dates there. I've tried to make sure that they match up with D2L in case we run into an error there, then I'll make sure to adjust that due date. The 9th week, October 13th, is the last day to withdraw with a W, so keep that in mind as well. But when you get down to the end here, you'll have a final project plan presentation, and this is a group project. Notice you have team assignments, and the team assignments do not start until the 5th week. So everything else is individual up until the 5th week, and then I'll put you into groups, and then you'll work on your team assignment each week. And it's going to align with that project plan. And so the final project plan presentation is you're taking all of the documentation that you worked on through the semester and you're rolling it up into a presentation. And then you're going to present it to me as if I am your project sponsor. So your plan is a proposal of what you will do if me as your manager or supervisor or your whoever approves your project to go forward with funding and that sort of thing. So that your final project plan presentation is your team giving me a proposal for a project, and that's pretty much it. And I give you what you need to have on each slide and so forth.